Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'm going to unbox this hanging pendant light from GAUVIK. Yesterday I did the unboxing of this 3 set pendant lights, hanging ceiling hang pendant lights. If you want that video, just check in the description. And this got price decreased, and this I purchased for 400. This remained the same. So just let us open this box and check how is the first look. Initially when I holding this looks pretty lightweight. This is the single piece, okay, single piece. Let us see what is there in the box, whether the bulb is provided or not. Yeah, the packing is good to avoid any damages. Let me take out this first. And more for restaurants or coffee shops or home decor item under budget, you can say. I just asked the offline stores which are very similar to this. Yeah, they're bit like 1 or 200 extra for this amount. Okay, let me keep this aside. Okay, this is the plate which goes to the ceiling. Okay, yeah. Are there any screws provided inside? So you need to remember one thing, there are no screws, so only the plate is provided. Let us open this one also to check it clearly. I'll be extending this. Yeah, this is one item which is of iron, not very heavy build quality. That's the reason it is looking lightweight. Okay, decently good. And this is the hanging wire, you can say, as it is in the image. In the next video I'll be telling you how you can assemble this. Okay, and this is the plate, right?